Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, this video is in partnership with Sunber hair, and they went ahead and sent me this beautiful bob wig. So this is actually their 13 by 4 lace frontal bob wig in 16 inches. It is 180 density, so it's really full up in here. You see these curls just like this, they are thick, honey. Like, I am trying not to brush these curls out because of how gorgeous they are, but at the same time I really just want to show you guys like how the wig actually came. So this is how it came. It came pre-curled for me, and because I bleached the top, I did get the top wet when I rinsed the bleach out, so I had to just recurl it. So I just wanted to just give you guys just a good representation of what the wig looks like when it first comes out the package. And trust me, this hair is absolutely stunning. Like, girl, this is definitely it. It's super affordable, so you're getting a bang for your buck. And if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me just go ahead and show you guys how I got my hair to look like this. The lace is absolutely gorgeous, and this wig is 100% glueless, girl. So let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get this look. Okay, so before I start, Sunber did what they were supposed to do. They ate with this one. It is a 16-inch bob wig, and it already came pre-curled, so I just pretty much have to do like the curls of the upper half. But let's just jump into the install portion, and then I'll get into the curls. my loves. So as you can see, I pretty much left it how the wig originally came, which was literally curls like this, and because I had to bleach the frontal, I got a bit of the hair at the top wet. But now we back in business because she's beautiful. I don't even feel like brushing the curls out. I feel like just letting them fall on their own because this is a gorgeous wig. Okay, gorgeous. So this wig is from Sunber Hair, and Sunber decided to send me a 13x4 lace frontal bob wig. It is in 16 inches and it is 180 density. She is really full. Okay, like the hair is super full, super thick, and because it's 16 inches, it was so easy to curl. Curling was so quick, fast, like just simple. And Sunber always comes with good lace. Like, do you see this? Oh, okay, like Sunber just never disappoints when it comes on to their laces. I've worked with them plenty times before, but this wig is absolutely stunning. I love it. Even though it was not HD lace, the lace was beautiful. It's really nice and thin and easy to blend with my skin tone, which is something that I look out for when I do videos like this, because you know, like, people, like, there's a lot of people out there with my skin tone and they just don't know what to get. But this wig right here, 10 out of 10. The lace is amazing, immaculate. So if you would like to purchase this gorgeous wig from Sunber Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And that is pretty much it for today. I don't have anything negative to say, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.